chemistry and few biology questions which are very important. Hear me? All welcome all. Okay, any one of you can intimate to other friends to join, right? Okay. Now, which were those important questions? Now, can you hear me, all of you? No reply. Let me know, can you hear me? If you all can hear me, let me start the session. Okay, I'm not getting any reply from yours. Yeah, good evening. Let me know whether you all can hear me. Shall I proceed? Oh. Okay, let me start the session. Now, I'll pose the question. If you know the answer, you can reply. If not, I'll reveal the answer. Is that clear? If you know the answer, you can reply. If not, okay. If it is clear with the voice, let me start. Now, the question will be on diagram. The diagram will be given, okay? And based on that diagram, you are supposed to answer. Now, what was the diagram? I'll give two answer. And it bounces back. It hits on the curve and bounces back. Okay? Hitting and bouncing back. The phenomenon is called as. What is the phenomena called as? What is that phenomenon called as? A ray of light surface and bounces back. What is that phenomenon called as? Reply from your side. Okay, Priyanka, I'll repeat. And it bounces back. It bounces back. Okay, what is this phenomenon indicates? Okay, it will be rectified. Hope when I read, I'm not getting any reply from your side. When a ray of the phenomenon is called as. What is that phenomenon called as? There is answering to my question. When a ray of light the sun and bounces. What is that phenomenon referred as? Okay, I'm not getting any reply. I'll reveal the answer. When a ray of light, when hits on a curve or on a surface, when it bounces back, the phenomenon is called as... Yes, Sneha answered perfectly. It is reflection. Very good, Sneha. And even Vidya answered correctly. Very good. Reflection is the right answer. Okay, I'll repeat the question. Those who are not cleared, you can hear me. A ray, when hits on a surface, when it bounces back, the phenomenon is known as reflection. Okay? The bouncing back process is called reflection. Okay? Now, the another question. What is power of accommodation of I? What is power of accommodation of I? Okay, Priyanka answered. Okay, I didn't see. Okay, Priyanka. Okay, Nandita, no problem. Good, Priyanka. Okay, my next question. What is power of accommodation of I? Okay, take your own time. Take your own time. What is power of accommodation of I? Let me see how many of y'all can answer. Still, I didn't get any reply. The Plasma Gaming Studio. So, all of you can subscribe this channel. Okay? Without any hesitation. It is a gaming channel. Thank you. Okay. What is power of accommodation of I? Yes, Priyanka answered first. The ability of eye lens to adjust its focal length. The ability of eye lens to... Very nice. And what about others? Shall we move on? Okay. The ability of lens to adjust its focal length is called accommodation of eye. We'll go on numerical. It is paper pencil test. You can work out. Okay. You can work out the paper pencil test. The question goes like this. 2 amperes, 2A, 2 amperes of electric current is passed through bulb for 5 minutes. I'll repeat. 2 amperes of electric current. Calculate the amount of electric charge flowing through the bulb. Okay, now first let me know what is the formula used here in order to calculate the current or the amount of electric charge. What is the formula used? Current bulb 5. Now calculate the amount here. Used to... Okay, shall I reveal? Okay, I'm not getting... Okay. Now the answer is I is equal to Q by T. Okay. The formula used here is I is equal to Q by T. Now 2 amperes is equal to I. Current has been given 2 amperes. And the time is also given 5 minutes. And you want to convert it into seconds. 5 into 60, that is, okay. So I has been given 2 into, so Q is equal to 2 into time 5 into 60, that is 300 seconds. 2 into 300, so Q is equal to 600 coulombs. The answer is Q is equal to coulomb. Clear? Should I repeat for 5 minutes? What is the amount of electric charge? The answer is Q is equal to 600 coulombs. Shall we move on to next question? Or should I repeat? Live. Thanks for so much. Q is equal to I into T, that is 2 Yeah, Priyanka answered correctly. That is 600 coulomb. Sneha, Bhargavi, Monisha, Varsha. Yes, all of you answered. Okay. Now, we'll move on to next one. Now, what are the advantages of connecting electrical appliances in parallel in domestic wiring? What are the advantages of connecting electrical appliances in parallel in domestic wiring? Okay, I'll say the answer. The answer must go like this. There is no division of voltage when it is connected in parallel. Same voltage is supplied parallel connection. This is the total resistance in parallel circuit is decreased when each to operate properly. Hope you cleared. Now I'll repeat. What are the advantages in connecting with parallel in domestic wiring? The answer goes like this. There is no division of voltage. There will be same voltage, but different current. Why it is essential? Total resistance in parallel circuit, the total resistance is and require different current to operate. The total resistance in parallel circuit is decreased and different be done by connecting in parallel in domestic wiring. Hope everybody understood this concept. Shall we move on to next one? Okay, why is so much of problem today? Comparatively, rest of the days, it is so much disturbing today. No, Valakshmi not cleared. Okay, when we connect the domestic wiring in parallel, we'll be having very good advantages. That is, there is no division of voltage. The total resistance in parallel circuit is decreased. Each gadget has different resistance and require different current. So this is the answer for the advantages in connecting parallel in domestic wiring. Okay. Okay, next question is, draw a diagram of electric generator and label the parts. Okay, now watch this diagram. Electric generator. Is electric generator which converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, this is very important. You have to practice this diagram. Okay, hope all of you gone through the diagram. Now, this about physics part. Now, let me move on to the chemistry. The metal that exists in liquid state. The metal that exists in liquid state. The options are sodium, chlorine, mercury, aluminium. Which is a liquid metal in this? Sodium, chlorine, mercury, aluminium. Okay. The answer is mercury. Mercury is a liquid metal at room temperature. The answer is mercury. Yeah, Sneha answered mercury. Okay. Bhargavi, Aishwarya, Ruxana, Kirti, Varsha, Priyanka, Arpita, Revati, everyone answered correctly. Okay, we'll move on to next one. What is oxidation? 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 Okay. Shall I reveal the answer? What is oxidation? That gives away electrons, or oxidation is the loss of electrons. Even the oxidation is addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen. So many definitions are there. The substance that gives away electron is oxidation, or oxidation is the loss of electrons, or the oxidation is addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. Yeah, Priyanka, it's correct answer. Yes. Oxidation is the loss of electrons or addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen. Good. Yeah, Arpita, good. Good answer. Okay, we'll go for next one. Remember, I'll give one series as per periodic table. It is in group wise, not in a period wise. Okay, the elements are in second group. Okay, second group. The second group elements, that is beryllium, magnesium, calcium. 3 elements are given. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium. 3 elements are given. Now, which element has highest atomic size? Which element has highest atomic size? Yeah, Varsha, Vidya, good answers. Sneha, good. And what about next question? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium. Which is having highest atomic size? Okay, I'll give the clue. Along the period, the atomic size decreases. Down the group, the atomic size increases. I'll repeat. Along the period, the atomic size decreases. Down the group, the atomic size increases. Now, which element has got highest atomic size? Yeah, Revati answered correctly. It is calcium. Very good, Revati. Yeah, Ruxana, Gangotri, Vidya, Sneha, Arpita, very good answer. It is calcium, right answer. Okay. Now, the next diagram. Look at the diagram. You are supposed to practice. Okay, this is the image showing the electrolytic refining of copper. Electrolytic refining of copper. You are supposed to practice this diagram. Okay. Okay. Okay, calcium. Under the name Mahesh, what is the spelling for calcium? Look at your answer. Okay, we'll go for biology part. We'll move on to the biology. Okay, is there any doubt in chemistry? Shall we move on? Okay, biology part. Okay, listen carefully. A potted plant is made to lie horizontally on the ground. Okay, a pot is kept horizontally on the ground. Which part of the plant show negative geotrophism? Negative geotrophism. Which part will show negative geotrophism? The options goes like this: root, leaves, shoot, fruit. The options, I repeat once again: root, leaves, shoot, fruit. A pot is kept horizontally. Now remember, which part of the plant show negative geotrophism? Negative geotrophism. Yes, Priyanka answered. Priyanka, Varlakshmi, Arpita, Revati, Ruksana, Monisha, Vidya, Tejashwini. Yes, all of you answered correctly, perfectly. That is shoot. Yeah, you all can also be saying that leaves. Okay, the leaves, that is a minute part, but shoot is a major part. Shoot entirely comes out from the ground, right? It is always towards the sunlight. Okay, correct answer, it is shoot. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. What is variation? What is variation? Yes, shoot is the right answer. All of you answered correctly. Now, what is variation? What is variation? Variation comes in the chapter Heredity and Evolution. Okay, if you know the answer, you can reply. If not, shall I reveal the answer? Shall I reveal the answer? Still, I didn't get any reply. Shall I reveal the answer? What is variation? Still, I didn't get any reply. Okay, I'll reveal the answer. Variation is difference in DNA. Variation is difference in DNA among the individuals. I'll repeat. Variation is difference in DNA among the individuals. Okay, cleared? All of you cleared? Variation is difference in DNA among the individuals, or even you can go like this: differences between the population. Why it is called so? Population means a group of organisms belong to same species. Okay, what is population? Group of organisms belong to same species. If any difference found in species, then that is referred as variation. In simple term, variation is considered as difference in DNA among the individuals. Okay, many of you cleared with this? All of you cleared? Shall we move on to next one? Okay, we'll move on to next question. What is monohybrid cross? What is monohybrid cross? Now, what is monohybrid cross? What is monohybrid cross? Okay, shall I reveal the answer? Monohybrid cross is a cross between two plants with one different contrasting character. With one different contrasting character. I'll give an example. If we consider the length of the plant, tall and dwarf, these are the two contrasting traits. That is, one is very tall, one is very dwarf, right? With one character, if we find any contrasting things, then it is called monohybrid cross. Yes, Priyanka, it is correct. Very good answer. Revati, you went with some spelling mistakes. You look at the spelling mistakes. Okay, Priyanka answered correctly. That is the cross between two plants with one different contrasting character. Okay, cleared all of you? Shall we move on to next one? Okay, next question is, what is speciation or define speciation? List out the causes. List out the causes. Yes, Neha, correct answer. Okay, what about what is speciation? List out the causes. Hope it takes time. Hope it takes time. Okay, few can go with definition, speciation, and others can go with causes. Yes, Revati. Now it's rectified. Good. Now what is speciation? List out the causes. Okay, still I didn't get any reply. Shall I go with the answer? What is speciation? It is a process by which a new species develop from existing species. Yes, Revati answered correctly. It is DNA change. Okay, Revati, it is not just DNA. Change in DNA and natural selection. Correct answer. Yes, Priyanka also answered correctly. The variation is combined with the geographical isolation is called speciation because geographical isolation is one of the important cause to undergo speciation. Yes, good answer, Priyanka. Okay, Arnavji answered. So nice to see. Nice to see replying, Arnav. Very good. Even though you completed your +2, still you are remembering the concepts. Very nice. Yes, Revati, now you answered correctly. Very good. Okay, I'll repeat the concept. Speciation is the process by which a new species develop from the existing species. The main causes are geographical isolation, genetic drift, and natural selection, and even change in DNA. These are the 4 causes. I'll repeat. Speciation is the process by which a new species develop from the existing species. The causes are geographical isolation, genetic drift, natural selection, and change in DNA. So nice, Arnav. You like to learn science? Very nice. Very good answers. Very good reply. Very nice. Yes, Arnav perfectly told. That is mutations. The other simple term is change in DNA. Okay. So what you told, mutation is the perfect answer, a single word that can also represented as change in DNA. Change in DNA is nothing but mutation. Perfect answer, Arnav. So nice. Okay, now all of you answered. Very nice. Now I'm going to share the screen. Look at the diagram. Okay, there's a image showing the germination of pollen on stigma. Germination of pollen on stigma. Okay. This image, you want to concentrate on the things, concepts like pollen. You look at the pollen. 2 of the pollen grains started germinating, but only one pollen developed very elongated pollen tube. That pollen tube entered inside the embryo sac. Down you can observe embryo sac. Inside the embryo sac there will be egg, and it reaches female germ cell, that is egg. Then fertilization takes place and zygote is formed, and later All the ovules will convert into seeds. The ovary will convert into fruit. Yeah, Bhargavi answered correctly. Good, Bhargavi. Okay, thank you, Arnav. Thank you so much. Okay, all of you cleared with what is speciation, variation? Okay. What is speciation as per the definition? Speciation is the process by which a new species developed from the existing species. What is variation? Variation is the difference in DNA among the individuals, or the difference between the population is also referred as variation. What is monohybrid cross? The cross between two plants with one different contrasting character. Now, which part of the plant show negative geotrophism? It is shoot. Among beryllium, magnesium, calcium, which element will show the highest atomic size? It is calcium. What is oxidation? The substance that give away electrons, or oxidation is the loss of electrons, and even addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen is also correct answer. Among sodium, chlorine, mercury, aluminium, which is an liquid metal? It is mercury. What are the advantages of connecting electrical appliances in parallel in domestic wiring? The applications are, there is no division of voltage, that is, they have same voltage. The total resistance in parallel circuit is decreased. When each gadget has different resistance and it requires different current, and hence this could possible in parallel connection. Now, when 2 amperes of electric current is connected to a bulb for 5 minutes, now the amount of electric charge is 600 coulomb. When a ray of light hits the surface and bounces back, the process is called reflection. Okay. Now, what is the formula used to calculate the electric charge? It is Q is equal to I into T. Okay. All of you cleared? So, very important diagrams are electric generator, electrolytic refining of copper, germination of pollen on stigma. Okay, all of you cleared? Is anything to be clarified? Is anything to be clarified? Okay, all of you replied as cleared. Okay, now the last question I would expect from all of you to answer is, what are the advantages? What are the advantages of connecting electrical appliances in parallel in domestic wiring? What are the advantages of connecting electrical appliances in parallel? Let me see how many of you all answer. Okay, let me see how many of you all answer for the advantages of connecting electrical appliances in parallel. Let me see. Yes, Priyanka, correct answer. Same voltage. It uses different current for different gadgets. And one more point you left is total resistance in parallel circuit is decreased. That is very important. Total resistance in parallel circuit is decreased. Yeah, Revati, even you answered correctly, but same point you left. That is, total resistance in parallel circuit is decreased. Yes, Priyanka, good. Good reply. Good answering. And what about others? Okay, the last question, because previously you all not answered. What is variation? What is variation? What is variation? Yeah, Varsha, correct answer. But everyone left one point, that is total resistance in parallel circuit is decreased. Everyone, you are leaving that point. Yes, Priyanka, Varsha, Varalakshmi. Yes, good answer. Variation is difference in DNA among the individuals. Very good answer. It is so simple. We can find differences among the population, right? And that is also variation. Variation is difference in DNA among the individuals. Even this is also right answer. Okay? All of you answered good? Not different, difference in DNA. Okay, Kirti? The variation is difference in DNA, not different. Difference in DNA among the individuals. Okay. Now next question. So simple. Few already answered. And what about others? What is power of accommodation of I? What is power of accommodation of I? So all of you have any session at 7? Very good, Ruxana. Very good answer. Ruxana answered perfectly. But spelling mistakes, Ruxana. Division. What is the spelling for division? Yes, Vidya. Correct answer for variation. Okay, I already posed the question. It's so simple question. What is power of accommodation of I? After revising, at least you should be hurry, right? Yes, Priyanka. Previously she answered and now too she is the first to answer. That is, the ability of eye lens to adjust its focal length is called accommodation of eye. Very good, Priyanka. Yes, now Arpita, Varalakshmi. Answered perfectly. Under the name Yellow also answered perfectly. Okay. Now, what is the formula used to calculate the electric charge directly? Direct formula to calculate electric charge. What is the formula? What is the formula used to calculate electric charge? The amount of electric charge. Yes, Revati. Good answer. Very good, Priyanka. It is Q is equal to I into T. Very nice. Very good answer. Okay, Kirti, I told direct formula for calculating the amount of electric charge, not current. Okay. Nandita, good? Yes, T should be small. Varsha, T must be small, okay, not capital T. Good. All of you answered correctly. Good. Okay. Now, last question. What are the causes of speciation? Okay, we'll do one thing. Now, all of you go with the question. What is speciation? What are the causes of speciation? Previously, only Revati listed the causes, right? And Priyanka defined the definition, and others, they didn't reply. Let me see now how many of you all will answer. Define speciation, list out the causes. And this will be the last one. And after that, you want to go for practice. Okay? Now, let me see who will answer for this question. Okay, Vidya, you are listening with the causes. Okay, what about the definition? What is speciation? Okay, Arpita, you are listing one cause. At least you want to go for 4 causes. Already I revised. Now you should not become very slow. At least after revision, you should go with all options, right? 4 options I gave for the causes, and you are listing with 1. Okay, under the name Yellappa, it is genetic testing. It is not genetic testing, genetic drift. Genetic drift. What is that, Ruxana? The causes are DNA. Huh? Natural selection, okay. How come the direct answer like cause is DNA? The answer should go like this. Speciation is the process by which new species develop from the existing species. The causes are geographical isolation, genetic drift, natural selection, change in DNA or mutation. Change in DNA or mutation. Yes, gene flow is also right answer. Very good, Priyanka. Good answer. Okay, Priyanka, you can add geographical isolation. You can add, okay? Okay, when you type, many times it go with the spelling mistakes. No problem. No problem. Good answers. Revati, good. Okay, no problem. Ruxana, no need to feel sorry. It is change in DNA, not just DNA. Okay. Yeah, okay, Revati. Geographical isolation is also one of the cause for speciation. Good. Okay, all of you cleared with these concepts, physics, chemistry, and biology? Okay, cleared? Anything to be clarified? Okay, if it is cleared, okay, we'll wind up this session. Okay, thanks for visiting and answering. So you have to practice these questions along with the diagrams. Okay, hope you all go through the questions once again. If you have any doubts, you can rewind this repeatedly. Okay, so thank you once again. See you all soon. Thank you one and all.